Hey guys, so today I'm at Shabu Squared and check out all this super delicious food. So they actually have very fresh and high quality meat and seafood as well. So over here we actually got the Wagyu and uni spoon. I am super excited to be trying this. It's got caviar in here and y'all know I love uni. Then we got the salmon spoon. Looks like there's some caviar, probably ponzu sauce. Yeah. And then we got spicy chili cucumbers. Don't usually like cucumbers, but I'm gonna try it anyways. And then we got our veggies. This is going to be the Wagyu meat platter. It's the prettier side. And then we got the ribeye. And then we got the short rib. Check that out. The presentation here is beautiful. Then over here, we got the seafood medley, which has the prawn. We got blue crab, some shrimp. Look at how gigantic those scallop pieces are. And then you got connie, mussel, and this is actually sashimi grade salmon. So you can actually eat that raw if you wanted to. And then we got two house sauces. This one is like a ponzu based sauce. And then we got a sesame based sauce, and there's garlic and green onions and ginger on there. So it's looking pretty yummy. Okay, so we got the two broths. This is the spicy tonkatsu broth. Looks good. And then this is the spicy crab broth. And if you see, there's like a whole entire crab claw in here. That's crazy. Alright. And then of course I gotta get my ramen and check out like the way this ramen looks too. It's not like the instant ramen that you get at other hot pot places. This is like legit ramen noodles. Okay, so let's try the cucumber. I don't usually like cucumber because, backstory, I used to love it when I was little and I ate it all the time. But then one day I just ate it so much that I threw up and then I never ate it again. But this one is really good. It's not too cucumbery, so that is good. Alright, now we're gonna try the salmon spoon. Been excited to try this one. Got some, I think this is fried shallot. Or fried onion. Okay, excuse me while I lick the rest of it. Don't mind me over here. That was so good. I think I'm gonna need another one. That ponzu sauce is so refreshing. And then the stuff that they put on top of it gives it that crispiness. And it's so good. Okay. Now this one, we're waiting to really try this one. Wagyu with uni. How can you say no to this? I don't even know what to say because it's so good. I'm like speechless right now. That Wagyu and the uni, it's like melting in my mouth. And the uni is so sweet. Super, super good. The sauce that it's in goes so well with it too. And then the caviar on top. I'm like trying to savor it right now. Just like slowly biting it and slowly swallowing because it's so good. All right, be right back while we let this boil. See y'all in a couple minutes. And we're back with these boiling pots. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some veggies because these are gonna take a little bit longer to cook. Ooh, love me some cabbages, some shrooms, some broccoli. Ooh, gnocchi mushroom. Oh, what are these? Are these noodles? I think there's noodles in here. That's cool. Okay, got some tofu. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just toss the noodles in too so that they can cook. And then I'll probably toss these ramen in as well because that's gonna take a little bit to cook too. All right, so we will, I guess I'll just start trying the meat and see how that goes. So this piece right here came from this plate earlier, and this is the Wagyu. So if you've never had hot pot before, you basically just like keep dipping it in there until it cooks. Or you can leave it in there, but then it could overcook on accident. So I just dip it. So then I got my meat. I'm gonna dip it in the sesame one. I wonder if I should have like mixed that up. That is extra tender. And this sauce is so good. Get some rice. Thank you. I always need my carbs. Okay, let's go ahead and try some of this ribeye. Where did I dip mine earlier? Oh, in here. Oh yeah, and they also give you spoons. So like if you don't want to hold on to it, you can just leave it in this spoon for a couple of minutes like that, and then grab some veggies. These veggies are definitely done. The noodles done too. This is hot. So good. That broth is good. And then they also give you this spoon so you can use it to actually get the broth, and you can put it into your bowl of rice and just enjoy it that way. Ooh, it's good. It's hot. See if this meat is done. See, so this one, it like lets go of all the broth so you don't have to worry about it. Oops, it was a little too big, so it's still a little raw right there. Dip it a little bit. All right. Now I'm gonna try this one in the ponzu sauce. That looks good. I'm excited. Make sure it's not too hot. I'm not used to eating hot food, you know. As a foodie, everything is cold by the time we eat it, unfortunately. Okay. Shabu Square, I see you. This is good. You know, the crazy thing is I've never had hot pot with rice before. And actually, it kind of works. It's pretty good. Okay. I can't tell which broth I like more yet. But let's go ahead and try this short rib. Look at all that marbling. Swish it around a little bit. Give it a nice little rinse in the pool of flavor. Okay. Dip it in the sesame sauce that they got again. Y'all, these meat don't play. They're so good. Super tender. Holy cow. It's like melting in my mouth almost. That's crazy. I wonder if these noodles are done yet. Ooh, they look done. Look at that. That looks good. That looks spicy. Alright, let's see how this is gonna go. I probably should have asked for a bowl to put this in. So I got my bowl. Gonna go ahead and scoop out some of the veggies and noodles because they look, they're done. Oh wait, I don't know why I'm using this spoon. I should be using this spoon with the hole. Yummy! Oh, there's the tofu that says Shabu on there. Flipped it perfectly. Ow. That burned. So these actually didn't take as long as I thought it would to cook, but that's okay. Yummy. Then I'm gonna pick out the noodles on this side, the ramen. Wow, look at how good that looks. Wow, it's so long. That is quite a lot of ramen. That is a good amount. All right. Should probably take this out too. Get the rest of the noodles so that it doesn't overcook and become soggy. Okay. Go ahead and take the crab out. Ooh, look at that. This whole thing was already in there, just waiting to be cooked. And then we got these veggies. I'll just put it in with this. The corn's probably not done yet though. I like my corn to be pretty soft, so I'll just leave that in there. I like that to be soft too. We'll just leave that stuff in there. Okie dokie. I'm gonna try the meat with the ramen. I didn't even get started on the seafood medley yet. Let me go ahead and put a scallop in there. Look at how big and juicy the scallop is. Holy cow. I'm gonna put it in my spoon so I can find it later. Otherwise, it might just get lost. Ooh, got a shrimp. Yeah, put that shrimp in there too. Okay. While that's cooking, go back over here. Start on this side this time. I cannot get over this marbling, y'all. This is like insane. Look at this. That is so crazy. Dip it in here. In the pool of flavors. Let it twirl around and dance and soak up all that yumminess. And then look at how fast that was. It's cooked. Got a little bit of ramen. Like to twirl my noodles like this. Oh my goodness, it's so long. All right, and then I like to just like, and it's all pretty. So that's a foodie tip for y'all if you want to make a pretty spoonful of noodles. Got the meat. Oh wait, it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god, it's hot. But, dude, eating the ramen from this, I can really taste the broth. And it's so good. I thought it was going to be way too spicy for me, but it's actually not that bad. It's good. Mm. Not trying to burn myself. Mm-hmm. All right. Need to check on my shrimp and scallop. I think that's done. Well, the shrimp doesn't look done. I'll leave it in there for a little bit longer. I think the scallop's done though. It feels done. Take it out. Yeah, it feels done. It's like, you can kind of tell because it gets a little bouncy, but not too hard, not too soft like when it was raw. Ooh, let's try this one in a ponzu. That is some good quality scallop, y'all. We're not talking about those dinky, small little frozen scallop that you get at like the all-you-can-eat hot pot place. I'm talking, this is the real deal, okay? Eat it with some rice. It's so good. I need to find me some veggies. And some udon. So good. I'm so excited to keep eating this. My nose is gonna start running soon because it's a little spicy, but it is good. All right, y'all, so this is Shabu squared right off of Beltway 8. It is so good. Like, if you are in the mood for some delicious, high quality meat and high quality seafood and like different types of broth, this is your place. So if you actually been here, let me know how you like it. They opened, I think, last year. Or no, sorry, 2019. 2020 was all just like a blur. Like, anyways, if you guys been here, let me know how you like it. If you haven't, come by and try it, and then let me know how you like it. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.